In this project, we're going to be using acrylic yarn and 6mm hook. So in this yarn, you can use any kind of yarn you have and any color of yarn you have. To begin, make a knot. Chain 28. 1, 2, 3, and 28. I have here a chain of 28. Add chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth chain from the hook, make a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert your hook right there. Make a double crochet. This is our first double crochet and second double crochet, and just make 1 double crochet per stitches all the way down, a total of 29 double crochet. I meet you once I am in the end. 29 double crochet in total for round 2. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work around and skip the first stitch, and in the second stitch make a double crochet and make 1 double crochet per stitches all the way down, a total of 29 double crochet. I meet you once I am done making double crochet. $29 on top of the third chain. 1, 2, 3. $29 double crochet in total. Chain 1. After you're going to chain 1, you're going to make 1 single crochet per stitches all the way down and until here, here, and also here. So skip the first stitch, and in the second stitch make a single crochet and 1 single crochet per stitches all the way down. Here in the end, we're going to make 1 single crochet right here, and on the top of this double crochet, 1, 2, 3, we're going to insert our hook right there. On the top of the double crochet, make a single crochet, and in this round make 2 double crochet. Make 2 single crochet in this previous double crochet. 1, 2, and in the middle of this, I'm going to make another single crochet, and here in the previous double crochet also make 2 single crochet, and you're going to do a round in the first chain, which is here. We're going to make a single crochet also. 1, that is our first chain, right? In the previous round, see, this is our first chain and our first row. Insert your hook and make a single crochet, and continue making 1 single crochet per stitches all the way down. So 1 single crochet all the way down, and just do the same here, what we did here, like 2 single crochet here and 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet in the middle. I meet you once I am done. So I am here in the end making 2 single crochet in the previous double crochet. So now what we're going to do is make a slip stitch in the first single crochet we made, which is here. Insert your hook right there and make a slip stitch. So this is how it look like. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this. We're going to fold our work and insert your hook in the first single crochet of the previous double crochet. See, which is here. 1, 2, 3. So this is our first single crochet of the double crochet. Insert your hook. Grab that one, insert your hook right there and grab the yarn. So we're going to make a slip stitch. Insert your hook in the next stitch as well as in the second stitch of the other side. Insert your hook and make a slip stitch. Insert your hook in the next stitch and in the next stitch of the other side, and just to connect them together. So I'm doing it 6 times, so slip stitch. I think this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. Just 6 times. Chain 1, pull tight and just cut the yarn. Tie this last part here. Just insert your hook anywhere in this finishing line and make this into half. As usual, I like to do this. I always make this into half and make a knot 2 times, or how many times you want. I take maybe 3 times. Okay, cut the yarn. So now, instead of putting this in the edge, I'm going to put this slip stitch right here in the middle. So it's going to be clean in this edging here and as well as here. So what we're going to do next, chain 40, 1, 2, 3. I meet you once I'm done chaining. To begin round 2, you're going to make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. This is considered as our first double crochet, and in those 4th chain from the hook, you're going to make another double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a double crochet right there, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet per stitches all the way down. I meet you once I am done. So I am here in the last chain, and we have total of 31 double crochet in round 2. And next, you're going to chain 1 and pull tight and just cut the yarn to end part 3. So what we're gonna do next is we're going to slip knot, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So chain 1 and make single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 1 single crochet from there, and 1 single crochet per stitches all the way down. 2, 3, 4, 5, So this is like our belt, and after that you're going to grab this one. This is what we made in the beginning, right? And this. So just put this like this, face it at the front, and wrap it. This is like this. So as you can see, it's like this. So wrap it around here. You see, it's forming. Like this. So what we do here is, this is our stitch here and this one here. So insert your hook in this one first. This is like the belt, right? And insert your hook right here in the first single crochet. Or in this stitch right here, just insert it here. And wrap it around and just grab this one. Grab that. So but first make sure that everything is right, so it is easier and you don't have to adjust so much later. Okay, grab it. And chain one, pull tight, and cut the yarn. Cut the yarn. Perfect. So you see this one, you just make it a knot. 2 times 1 and 2, and cut the yarn. And like this. Perfect. So this way. And after that we're just going to make this one. So what you're gonna need next is a needle and a yarn in it already, and a button. So what we do here is we're just gonna attach this one here. So start in the second double crochet. So I have some space on the top, which is this one first, and insert your needle in this hole right here, and insert in the next one like this. 1 time is already enough. You can do 2 times. I think I'm gonna do 2 times. So insert again, and another one. Perfect. And just grab that, make a slip knot, and make a knot, I mean. Just a regular knot, however you prefer. Perfect. Grab your scissor and just cut the rest. And basically we are already done, so I'm going to show you how it is. It's going to be like this. This is for the baby, so it's very small for newborn baby. It fits for him actually. So it's like this. For the bigger one, it's the same size as like this. Same pattern for this, just the neck is different because of course it's different size for the neck.